Good morning, my little landscapers. Nick the Lawn Man here. Today we're going to be cutting down some trees. We got a tree here that's a Crimson King. It got diseased by birds. As the bird flu was going around, birds, they land on the trees and the disease goes through their nails into the bark of the tree, and it diseased the tree. As you can see that it's dying. So we're going to go ahead and take this down for them. And we're going to take some branches over here to make the tree look better, open it up so we can get some grass to grow. So we're going to see how long this Hart 16-inch brushless 40-volt chainsaw will go. And yeah, hope you guys like it. Mow on. We went to Burns Rental today. We got us a stump grinder to get it done like a professional. Thanks to Burns Rental. They rent party supplies and tools to get it done like a professional. Thank you.